In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Read Aloud voice in ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If you've been using ChatGPT's voice features and want a different voice for reading responses out loud, this tutorial will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. It's quick, easy, and once you know where the setting is, you can change it anytime. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple ChatGPT tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, look to the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can manage different preferences for your account and app experience. After the Settings window opens, click on General. This is where ChatGPT keeps the core app options, including the voice and appearance settings. Now scroll down through the General section until you find the Voice option. When you see it, click on it to open the available voice choices. From here, you can browse the voices and select the one you want ChatGPT to use for Read Aloud. Once you pick a different voice, the change should apply right away, so the next time you use Read Aloud, you'll hear the new voice instead of the old one. If you want to test it, go back to a conversation and use the Read Aloud feature to make sure the voice sounds the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Read Aloud voice in ChatGPT. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you use the tool every day. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ChatGPT how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.